Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to turn off dark mode on iPhone in iOS 17. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Method 1. Turn off dark mode under setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on display and brightness. On the display and brightness page, select light mode. Method number 2. Disable dark mode under control center. Open the control center on your iPhone. On the control center page, hold your finger down on brightness indicator. Turn off dark mode. Method number 3. Turn off dark mode automatically. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on display and brightness. Turn on automatically. Thanks for watching this video.